Let me ask you something honest. How long have you been studying English? 1 year? 2 year? Maybe 5 year? And right now, can you speak freely? Can you understand movies without subtitles? Can you have a real conversation without stopping to think every 5 seconds? If your answer is no, you are not alone. Most people spend years studying English and still feel stuck. Not because they are not smart, not because English is too hard, but because they are studying the wrong way. They are wasting their time without even knowing it. Today, I am going to show you 4 powerful techniques that will actually move you forward fast. No boring grammar rules, no long lists of vocabulary, just real methods that real people use to get real results. Let's go. By the way, my name is Zain and I have helped thousands of English learners just like you. I know what it feels like to study hard and see zero progress. It is frustrating. It makes you want to quit. But here is the truth. Progress is possible and it can happen faster than you think. You just need to stop doing what doesn't work and start doing what does. So in this video, I will walk you through 4 powerful techniques backed by science and used by successful language learners all around the world. Write this down, try them this week. I promise you will feel the difference. Okay, technique number 1 is speak from day 1. I know what you are thinking, but I am not ready yet. Here is the problem. Most learners wait until they feel ready to speak. They study grammars for months. They memorize hundreds of words, but they never actually open their mouth. And when they finally try to speak, it feels impossible. Here is why. Speaking is a skill, and skills only improve with practice. You cannot learn to swimming by reading a book about swimming. You have to get in the water. So, what should you do? Start small every day. Easy 5 sentences out loud in English. Talk to yourself, describe what you see around you. Record yourself speaking and listen back. It will feel uncomfortable at first. That's okay. Discomfortable means you are growing. The learners who speak only learn fast. It's that simple. Okay? Technique number 2 is input before output. Flood your brain with the real English. This is called comprehensible input and it is one of the most powerful ideas in learning languages. Here is the concept. Your brain learns language naturally when you hear and read it a lot, in a way you mostly understand. Think about how babies learn their first language. Nobody sits them down and teaches grammar. They just hear it over and over and one day they speak. You can do the same thing. How? Watch English content every single day, not just any content. Content you actually enjoy, like cooking shows, sport commentaries, comedies, drama, whatever you like. Start with subtitles in English, not your native language. This trains your brain to connect sounds with words. Read simple English books or articles. Listen to English podcasts like Easy English the podcast, made for learners. The goal is simple. Put English into your brain every day. The more input you get, and faster your brain builds the language automatically. You will start thinking in English without even trying. Okay, next, technique number 3 is, and this one might surprise you, stop memorizing vocabulary lists. I know almost every English course tells you to learn 10 words a day from a list because your brain doesn't remember words alone. It remember words in stories, in situations, in emotions. Technique number 4 is make English part of your life. And honestly, this might be the most important one. Here is a question. How many minutes a day do you actually spend in English? Most learners have one study session, maybe 30 minutes, and then they go back to their native language. That's not enough to build a real habit. It is not enough to make real progress. Language learning is not about studying harder. It's about studying more consistently, in naturally, everyday moments. Here is how to do it. Change your phone language to English. Right now, today, it is a small change, but it puts English in front of your eyes all day. Think in English. When you are making coffee, walking to work, cooking dinner, describe what you are doing in English inside your head. I am cutting vegetables. The kitchen smells good. Set a daily English habit, not a goal. A habit. Same time, same place, every day, 15 focused minutes in worth more than 2 hours once a week. Find an English community. Join a Facebook groups, a Discover server, a local meetup. Surround yourself with people who are on the same journey. The 4 powerful techniques to learn English fast. Number 1, speak from day 1. Don't wait until you are ready. Start now, start small. Number 2 is flood your brain with real English. Listen, watch, and read every day. Number 3, learn words in context, not lists. Use sentences, use emotions, use stories. Number 4 is make English part of your life, not just your study time, your whole day. These techniques work, but only if you use them. So right now, pick a one technique from this list, just one, and try it today. Not tomorrow, today, because time is the one thing you can never get back. Don't waste it on methods that don't work. You deserve to speak English with confidence, and you can if you start the right way. Okay? If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow and reach more learners like you. Drop a comment below and tell me which technique are you doing to try first. I read every comment. And if you want to more practice English tips every day, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss everything. Thank you so much for watching. Keep going. You are doing better. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.